Here we go. This is Jordan, my stupid son. He's always falling from the back. Now he's going to do another trick now. We're going to carefully watch what he does. He's a master when it comes to the back trick. Here we go, here we go. Oh, I missed that one.